Hey guys, this here. See this? Take the brand down. Beauty and Balance. 49¢. I went back to that area and I got 4 more that was 49¢, but it was only the pink ones. This book is 99¢. Now, if it's 99¢, it should be going down to 49¢. If it's 2.99, it should be going down to 49¢. So I'm going to show you a couple of visuals first that should go down to 49¢, like the woman was telling me right here. Now, one advent calendar that a lady had was 49¢, and that one was not. This, she said, for sure should be going down to 49¢. Now, this cola book right here, this book, I believe, is 99¢. So she said it'll definitely be going to 49¢. And then we have the 249, which should be 99¢. The Thanksgiving coloring calendar activity book is 49¢. I did find 2 of those. The American West coloring book is 49¢. So look for those. Now I am in Stationery finding these items right here. Now she did go through like this 199. Hopefully it'll be 49¢. This right here, she told me because it was all tore up right here, and it was already 149 that they'll give it to me for 49¢. So I did get that for 49¢. So be looking out, guys, for it. Okay. Another associate that was proudly to go along with me. She said, look for the toys, but they did not do a lot of markdowns on the toys. The gift bags, if you find some Christmas gift bags or Halloween or fall, they should go down to 49¢. All right. So some of these gift bags ended up being $3.49, and she said they should be going out like that gaming gift bag. That's definitely should be 49¢. On the next week. Now look at this, guys. A Hello Kitty picture. That's gonna be 49¢. I cannot wait. I'm gonna run back for my good friend. That was another picture. 6.49 should be 49. Anything with holiday themes on it, she said, look for it to be 49¢. And if it's been taken out of a package like that, should be going down to 49¢. So visuals that I'm showing you is because it's an associate telling me this. 3.49, she said that should be down to 49¢. This right here, I just thought it was a good deal. It's 4.99. She said it should be 2.99. Look at this fragrance right here, vanilla ginger. Okay, 49¢. I went back over to the area and I picked up 4 more of those, guys. When you find them in random places, go back where they should be and see if they have any more. Now, over here, this is 5.49. This was not, it will be 49¢. And I think it goes inside of the, I want to say microwave. Now, see these little utensils, 2.49. She said will definitely be going down to 49¢, because apparently they're pulling in some new brands. So be checking out all of those. And I will be coming back. I probably will wait until Monday and go back. 2.99. She said definitely 49¢. Look for anything 2.99 should be, and it's reduced, then it'll be 49¢. This was broken, but I do have a stopper for this top, and it was at 1.49. She said they'll give it to me up front for 49¢. So I did get that. And the see that Halloween, that pumpkin cup, it should have been 49¢. So she said try next week. It should be marking down. This should be 49¢. soon also. So I'm showing you prices because she's standing behind me telling me, yep, definitely those will be 49¢. I want this tray set to be 49¢, but it was 8.49. She said she don't know how far that'll get down. 4.49, she said she go to 2.49. So a lot like this Halloween, she said that should have been marked. Someone missed the 3.49. She said it should have been 49¢. Same as this spooky, should have been 49¢. The kitchen dish set, which tiles, you know I look for those, guys, should have been 49. They should be going down to 49¢. Now the pasta winter, we're in the food section, 49¢. Okay, I collected all of those pastas right there. These will be donated, guys, to a food bank that I donate to. Now I'm showing you the tops of them because they're 49¢. Some of them did not. I did collect all of those right there. I took those. They were 49¢. The ones with the Santa on them, the reindeer, And then those are not. She said that brand didn't lower down for some reason. Now, I even checked the pancake mixes. They were like $1.99, but not 49 cents. And then this potato ganache was $1.99. This definitely, she said, is going down to 49 cents. It's heavy. I think a candle go in there. It's super heavy. Look at that little tiki 3.49. She said next week 49. Look at those little jewelry purses. 149. So it should be 49 cents next week. Go in your Rosses. You have good visuals in this video, guys. Look for these items. This is the second video I made with these items. Now we're in the Christmas section. A lot of things over here she said was missed. This seedling set, she did say they'll give me that for 49 cents because the top of it was open, which they did. They gave it to me for 49 cents. You know you could take open products up there or damaged and they'll lower the price, guys. So this balsam hand soap, they didn't lower that. That should be 49 cents. Now these are little ornaments with things in them. That's 49 cents. That's $2.49. I wish that was 49 cents. This one was not $1.99. She said it should have been 49 cents. So a couple of things they missed. Like now the candy bar was 49 cents, but I picked up another one. Guess what? They missed it, $2.49. So you could I could have took that other ball up there and asked them for it, but I wasn't. I really was looking at the soap. Now look at this, guys. A 24 set cookie cutter for 24 days is 49 cents. They had two. I did give the another lady the other one. Wrapping paper. If you are a farm stand, these are awesome to put inside of your baking covers. I see people put them inside of them. I'm going to grab some so I could use them on next year for my little farm stand, little wrap my gifts up in, wrap some of my cookies up in that the kids have on display. So those are going to work good for your farm stand. So grab those. Look at that gaming wrapping paper, 49 cents. It was tons of wrapping paper. So I would say just grab them. Now, see this chocolate sweet vanilla? It's 49 cents. But guess what? When I picked up that other one, it was not. So usually you could take that one up there and they'll mark them. This was 49 cents. The purple boxes were. And then she marked down the green boxes for me. So I got those. And this is a chocolatey candy that should have been 49 cents. She said definitely next week. This right here is a gift surprise. It's a multi-pack, 49 cents. It was 4 of those, so I did grab those, guys. So just be careful. Here are some ornaments for 49 cents. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share Ivy's coupon account because we don't gatekeep. Bye.